Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, hard disk drive, base enclosure, display panel assembly, display bezel, hinge caps, and display panel. Removal. On the back of the display panel, peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel and remove. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the display panel and replace the retention tape.